Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss, my name is Riva Alkamevia. I'm here. I want to explain my project. The project is Apply Linguistics and Language Arts. And next slide. I'm here. I want to explain the important point from this slide. There is introduction, scope, scale theories, real-world application, and the last conclusion. And next. Introduction. Applied linguistics is an interdisciplinary academic field that applies linguistic theories, methods, and findings to solve practical language-related problems in the various contexts, especially focusing on language teaching, learning, and communication issues. It bridges the gap between linguistic theory and real-world language as addressing areas such as second language acquisitions, language assessment, language policy, translation, and communication in social and institutional settings. And next slide, real-world applications. There is language policy in education, teacher training programs, language technology, example apps, AI, and corpora, and last multilingual education. Language policy in education apply linguistics inform the creations and implementation of language policy in educational settings. And teacher training program, teacher training in the applied linguistics and equips educator with both theoretical knowledge and the practical skill for language teaching. Language technology, example as AI or corpora. Applied linguistics drives the development of language technologies like language learning apps, AI, chatbot, and linguistic corpora. Last, multilingual education. The field supports multilingual education by informing curriculum, design, teacher training, and the policy decisions that promote the use of multiple language in school. And next slide, scope of applied linguistics. There is language teaching and learning, language assessment and testing, language planning and the policy, communication and social linguistics, and less translation and interpreting. Language teaching and learning. Applied linguistics addresses method and process involved in teaching first, second, and foreign language, including language acquisitions and language educational theories. Language assessment and testing. It involves developing and applying tools to evaluate language proficiency and learning outcomes. And language planning and policy. This includes effort to manage the applied language as in societies, such as official language status and institutional language as. Communication and social linguistics. Studying language as in social context, including issues related to culture, ethnicity, gender, identity, and migrations, as well as workplace communication and discourse analysis. And last, translation and interpreting. Applied linguistics support the theory and practice of translating and interpreting between language. And next slide, the K theories in applied linguistics. There is behaviorism, Skinner, enantiism, interactionism, and question input hypothesis, and communicative language teachings. Okay, the behaviorism accompanied by B.F. Skinner views language as a set of habits acquired through conditioning. Innatist Noam Chomsky's innatist theory argues that humans are born with the innate capacity for language known as the language acquisition device, or LID. And interactionism Lev Vygotsky's interactionism highlight the importance of social interaction in language development. And Krasen's input hypothesis. Stephen Krasen's input hypothesis asserts that language learn progress when exposed to comprehensible input. Language that is just slightly above their current proficiency. And that's communicative language teaching. SLT is an approaches rooted in the idea that effective language learning comes from meaningful communication. And last, the conclusion from this slide, applied linguistics play a crucial role in the supporting and enhancing the process of language learning by providing theoretical insight and practical tools that guide teaching methods, curriculum development, and language assessment. By understanding how language is acquired as and taught, educator and research and can design more effective learning experience. Ultimately, applied linguistics bridges the gap between theory and real-world language arts, making language education more relevant, efficient, and learn-centered in diverse contexts. Okay, the last. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.